Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends and traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex, Trading for Beginners. And today I have my Hawaiian shirt on, very nice indeed. For those people who know me, they know I do salsa dancing. However, the purpose of this is not about dancing, it's about trading. Today I'm going to show you the V70 strategy. That's right, the V70. There were the three lines. It's a simple, easy strategy. Recently I've been showing you Euro USD, but today I'm going back to where it all began on gold. Since the indicator has had an update, and I've got a few extra compliments just to show off what can be done, ladies and gentlemen. So here we go. So just to let you know, gold USD. So let's first of all, let's look at the structure of the market. Yep, as you can see, it's been swinging up and down, and yep, and I've got some oscillators and stuff down here. Now, coming down, you see there, 1 hour time frame, normal candles. I'm going to come down to 15-minute time frame, as it says it right there, ladies and gentlemen. 15 minutes. The way this works, ladies and gentlemen, when you're doing this strategy, this is today. So let's, if we can, just forget about today, if it's possible. You see the work, background, wrong there. Let's forget about this today. Yeah, I'll push this aside. So when we're looking at today, I'll put that there, ladies and gentlemen. When you're looking at today, what the first thing is you look back. You go back to the day before. Now there's an indicator up here. It's called, you go to technicals, fixed range, volume profile, ladies and gentlemen. You pop that on the chart and automatically it appears. You adjust the settings. So you have three lines. This one here called the POC, the value area high, the value area low. And you notice when this breaks, naturally has a blue and a yellow here. Now, if you're putting this on, it might not have them like this. Now, I've also got some other squiggly lines here, and these here are candles. Down here, we've got amazing ninja matrix and incredible divergence oscillator. So what this gives me up, the setup this gives me, ladies and gentlemen, is it says when the market opens, when it comes down to here, I have targets. Yep, I have targets. Yeah, so we have to wait. The first target is to break through this here. And if we do so, we can enter a trade. Our second target is here and another one here. And then we can bounce up and down and do different things. Now, I'm on the 15-minute time frame, as you can see here and here. But I use this in conjunction with this here. If this is green, we're looking for a buy. If this is red, we're looking for a sell, vice versa. So the market opens here, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see. I'm going to move this out of the way and I'll show you what's happened with gold. This is gold. Now, you might see a little bit of fast movement shortly, ladies and gentlemen. This is gold. I'm going to remove that there, right there. So market opened. We know this ultimately is our target. Yeah, it will start here, outside of this area. So I'm just going to draw a little box in the area so you can see we're looking for it to come in here. Yeah, and it jumps. Let me just take here. It jumps in a couple of candles underneath these moving averages, under this, what I'm calling my money line, my dynamic money line. Not one full candle. It tries almost, yeah, but it pulls back up. Doesn't continue. Now, I could have potentially got in a smaller time frame and took some of that. So what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you on different time frames what that would look like in here. And in fact, I'll go something really crazy. I'll go down as far as the 1 minute time frame. Yeah. So if you were doing this and you wanted to enter this, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there's not going to be much there. There really isn't. Yeah. if you're going to the strict rules. Yeah, so what we'll do is we're going to go back up to the 15-minute, ladies and gentlemen. It goes back up there, and it hits a daily high. Yeah, and this daily high it's a lot of volume there from the previous day. So it actually went back to that spike called high volume node there, which is quite nice actually. And then it decided to come down. Never just come down a little bit, come down a lot. Now, I want to show you this options. So looking at this time frame here, you can see just when it breaks this dynamic money line, it goes straight to profit and then goes to the other side, which I mentioned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the 1 minute time frame, because some people here recently have been trading with me on the 1 minute time frame. So I want to show you how you can trade this that way. I'll move this out of the way. So you can see here, ladies and gentlemen, the 1 minute gold and normal candles. This below here is the amazing Ninja Matrix and a nice oscillator that shows us, ladies and gentlemen, not believe it, it showed us something called divergence, and it's red and it's above this line. What it's about to tell us at this point, there's a potential entry at that point. Now, it depends when you get in. You could potentially take an advantage of that. You're actually outside of a value area, but you notice it actually comes down, rejects off the value area, back, you cannot make this stuff up, ladies and gentlemen, back to our money line before it decides to drop. So what we do is we just switch to Heikin-Ashi candles to make it a bit easier for everybody. Yeah, I'm going to make that there. Get the divergence, it pushes down, rejects back to the money line, and then before you know it, enter that trade. You see it all the time. This is below here, it's below here, comes, rejects off the money line on one side again, and then pushes down even further to the other side of the value area called value area low. Now, then it decides to go into consolidation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the whole time that's going down, as long as you're under that and you're in profit, you can stay in the trade. So what would that mean in terms of risk to reward? Now, the benefits of using the 1 minute and the propulsion entry system that I've mentioned many, many times, ladies and gentlemen, just it goes all the way down, and at that point there, yeah, or even there, it breaks through that dynamic money line with 8% return on your money. Now, if that sounds like you, if that sounds like something you would like to get on a consistent daily basis, I do encourage you to reach out and say hello. So I'm going to leave now. My name is Jeff Goodwin, Forex Trading for Beginners. And for me, it's all about changing lives. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.